Okay, friends, today we will learn how to download data from National Statistics Office of the Government of Nepal, process the data and use it for making different types of thematic maps. For this purpose, we need to go to the website first of all, which is censusnepal.cbs.gov.np and the downloads. So by this we open the website of National Statistics Office. Let us go to downloads option. Here you can see data in different formats meant for different administrative regions. Let us go to province, district, local report. And we choose this province Koshi. You can choose other provinces as well. And let's scroll down and in individual table, let us open this table where we can see number of households and population by sex. So the file is open. We can just check this file and download this file. So that's it. This file is downloaded. We can close this Explorer, go to our download folder and open this file. Open this file. Let us check it in Excel. Enable editing, view 100%, and we see different information here. This is the summary for Taplejung district, Sangkhwasawa district, and so on. And these are the Gaon Palikas, Nagar Palikas, which are called municipalities, the local level units. So the information in this column is number of households, and this is total population, and the population male and population female. So to make this data useful for our GIS purpose, we have to restructure the data a little bit. So first of all, let us write this column name here, total household, and this is total population, this is male population, and this is female population. So after writing these headings, we can delete all these rows which we are not going to use. And here, this is the local level name, local level name. This is some sort of serial number for the palikas, which we write just N. And we insert a column here to write the district name in this column. So after this, we just delete all these blank rows, which we can select by pressing Ctrl Z, clicking special and clicking blanks. So all the blank cells has been selected. We right click here and delete entire row. So this way we get rid of blank rows. Similarly, in this column we should get rid of 99, which is institutional records, which we are not going to use for our purpose. So for this we go and find 99 number, right here, columns, match entire case and find out. So we select all those cells, and by right clicking we delete them. All the rows will be deleted. So it is done. So from here also we go up to end and delete this information. So now let us go to top. So now let us copy this name in this column, in this place. So it can be done by is equal to if the cell value of this is equal to 0, then we copy this name. Otherwise we just type NA, not available. not available. So copy this formula to all our cells up to here. So we have these things. Now copy all these things, and in place of this formula, we paste it as values. Now we have values here, not the formula. And going to this, let us first copy all these cells, let us cut it and shift it to here. So after this we can select all zero values here and delete all those rows. Find zero by column, match entire cell content, find all. So this way we can select all those cells having zero values, right click and delete. This way we delete all unnecessary records. So now we have our file in this format. So this is already values. Now we select all NA not available values, find NA by colon, match entire case, find all. Let us select all. So find all, and we clear all the content. We clear all content. So now those cells are clear. And now let us do some trick. Let us copy this district name to all remaining gaonpalika or municipalities. Municipalities. It is done in this way. In this column, we go to Control G and click special. We select blanks. All blanks are selected. And here we type a formula is equal to, and we type control up arrow. So what this does is that it copies the upside content right of this cell to all the remaining cells. Let us see to understand it. And now press control and press enter. So look, this is what we wanted to have in our database. So let's go downwards, and here are the rows which are not used in our data. We select all those rows and delete. So this is the file we are looking for. Now save this file, save in your working folder as population by 6 for Koshi province, and save it. Now just should understand that these are still the formula. That's why we copy all this content, copy them and paste at the same place as values. So now we have every content as values. So save this. So now our goal is to type in or copy the codes for all these local level units. So for that we have a copy of local units. Let us see, it is in my D drive. Let's go to video making data, and I have this file made here. It has the codes, local level codes, and here all the data are sorted in first by district, then by local label name. The data are sorted in this order. So now let's go to the new file we have created and sort the data the same way. Sort data first by district, then by local label name. Let us sort it. So uh, now we can copy data from this file, which has the local level codes as well. Copy the content and paste it to this new file. So now we have to check whether the district name and the local level name are same or not. If it is same, we can just keep this code in our data file. So before that, we can check some. We can write here a field csk, and we put here some condition. So the condition is if if there might be two conditions, that's why we type and if district name is equal to this district name, and another condition is this local level name is equal to this local level name, then we put 1, otherwise we put 100. That is, if we have 100 in this cell, that is something is wrong. So look, this is 100, there is something wrong in our data. So we copy this formula and paste it for all. So everywhere we have problem. Now let us check for the possible problems. Now if we go to this district, we can see a blank space at the last of this name, which is not there in this case. That's why in this column, let us replace the space, blank space, by nothing. Yeah, blank space by nothing. So replace all. So 137 instance has been found, and it has been corrected. Yeah, corrected. So now let us check the names of local level units. So in this file, local level units are named differently than in this case. In here, we can we can in this column we can replace this word Gaon Gaunpalika, Gaunpalika. Gaunpalika is just rural municipality, rural municipality. So which is here. We replace all places. It is done. So similarly, we check for other things. So file, in this file, let us check. So once we have done these two corrections, we can check in this column. So everything seems okay. That means the district names, and the local level names do match in all cases. We have no problem. So in this newly downloaded file, I have everything. Let us save this file, and now I can safely delete these two. Oh, before deleting that, so this is okay already. We can delete these two columns, delete, and this column also we don't need, delete. So now uh, we can move this code, move this code, got it, and we move it right here. So let us rename this as CBS local ID, local ID, CBS local ID. So now the ID have been assigned. Let us write like this. Should be here. Yeah. So now our file is ready. So you can put some average household size. You can calculate average household size, which is equal to mm, total population divided by total number of households. So this is household size. We can copy this and paste. We have this information here. We copy all these things and paste as values. It's done. Similarly, we can calculate gender ratio. That means gender ratio means number of male population per 100 female population. That is, so here we find it total. We calculate it as number of male population divided by female population into 100. So this gives us the gender ratio. So we copy this formula and paste it up here. So copy everything and paste as values. So that's it. We have two more information here. Now we can sort our data, save data, sort data by CBS LID. So that's it. Now we have this data which can be safely used for making different types of thematic maps. With the help of this CBS LID code, we can link our this attribute data with the spatial data that we already have and make different types of maps. So friends, with this I conclude for today, and in next video we will try to make some interesting maps using ArcGIS. So bye bye till then, see you again.